Hello all, good morning. Welcome back to my channel Working Bank Aspirant. Okay guys, this video is regarding pre-examination training of doubt clearing session. So I'm getting multiple comments on doubt clearing session. So regarding the timings of doubt clearing session. So I have been attended for doubt clearing session on the date mentioned by the SBI which I got on 4th Feb. So I'm going to make a video on that. It might be useful for the few people who are having doubts on this pre-examination training or clearing session part. So on the series of pre-examination training, this is the last part guys, because by the end of the examination training there will be a doubt clearing session. So this is the end for that, and also I'll clear all of your doubts, no issue with that. And also I'm getting many comments regarding telegram channel link, right? So I have done a video mainly regarding my telegram channel. So in that video itself I have provided my telegram channel link in the description box, so you can go and you can join my telegram channel. It is purely for your purpose, because all of study materials of previous and this year's pre-examination training materials has been uploaded in my channel. So please go and check that, because it might be useful for you all during this SBI clerk prelims examinations. And also, before going to start with the video, I'm just going to give a heads up for you all. Hardly there are 10 to 12 days are left for prelims examination. So please do hard work and uh, please do hard work and also make your parents proud and be an independent person. And also, if you waste these 12 days, if you want to do hard work after 12 days, it is no use guys. Please do hard work as much as you can in these 12 days. Still you can clear the examination. The people who are not that much of prepared and having basics of all that uh, topics, and please give multiple mock tests, that's it. And please analyze that, and please work on your weak areas, that's it. With these sessions you will get a good marks guys. That's from my end. Okay guys, coming to this video, it's mainly purely based upon doubt clearing session. So the people who have you have clicked sorry guys, okay, the people who have clicked on the doubt clearing section checkbox, they might get this mail. The people who are not received this mail, mainly because of you have not checked box that. No issues, I'm here to provide or to give you all kind of updates regarding this banking sector guys. So mainly now the SBI clerk pre-examination training and prelims are going to happen, right? So that is the reason I'm providing this. Okay, I got this mail on 4th Feb guys. Pre-exam, which is doubt clearing section, has happened on the date that I have been mentioned clearly here. Okay, I'll explain with this. Here, this is the advertisement date of notification of SBI clerk, and doubt clearing session they have been conducted on Feb 6th in evening time 4 to 5 p.m. You are able to see, right? I have been highlighted that. So on Feb 6th from 3:30 to 3:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. Through MS Teams. So they have been provided one link here, right? So we need to join at the mentioned date on it mentioned timings to that link. So I'll just show to you all. I thought to record that video, but it is if I'll screen record or anything happens, it won't record all the voices from them. So I thought I can cascade the information, what kind of information if you want. So I'll just cascade the information what they have been said, no issues. Okay, here when I will click on this link, okay, I'm getting like this. So join your team. If I'll click on this also, there is no use, because now we don't have any access to that. So that is the reason now it was not opening and it's not getting highlighted. Okay. In the doubt clearing session, the people who are having doubts regarding prelims examinations and also the pattern cutoffs. Mainly what I can say, the introduction video have been uh, uploaded here, right? The people who have not seen might they not be clear of that. So the similar kind of questions only they have been asked in that session. So the questions and the clarifications that they have been given, all I have known already, because as I have already given, or as I have already cleared the prelims examinations and attended the mains examinations, so I don't have that much of doubt. So that is the reason all the questions I am aware of it. So I think there is nothing new I can say to you all. But if anybody are having any doubts, any of anything related to SBI clerk, please comment me in the comment section, guys, because I can clear your doubts by resolving or by studying, like by highlighting that questions. It might useful for the few people. So that is the thing I need to say from my end. So this is the major thing. And mainly I got comments regarding the timings of doubt clearing sessions. So this is the thing I have been highlighted, right? So please check this. And also the date has already been passed. That I thought to make this video previously only, but due to some my professional works, I have not done the video on expected time. But no issues, guys. I am clearing your doubts, right? So I feel that I am clarifying all your doubts. Okay. First thing is they have given pre-examination dates, right? 4 dates. So the exam might you will the exam dates might get on the dates only. Second, the exam pattern all we know on the notification itself. So the patterns all we have known on introduction video itself. So, and my one request from you all, my request for you all, I have been continuously uploaded pre-examination training of day 5 days, and also introduction video. Before going to see the 5 days of pre-examination training study materials, please go through that video, because it is not even sponsored, guys, because I'm just saying for your good sake. So please go through that video and then check the 5 days of pre-examination training study materials. It will be very very useful for you all. If you check that video, I'm 100% sure that if you go and if you check that video, if you see that video, you will not have any doubts. You no need to even attend the doubt clearing session, guys, because that is the introduction session. They have been clarified all the doubts there itself. So please go and watch that video, guys. That's it from my end. And also please, if you are anybody or new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and also please like and share if this video is helpful for anybody. If any people are uh, unable to access or anything, please share this, then might they get you useful. Okay. That's it from my end, guys, and please comment me in the comment section if you want any kind of videos. I'll try to make that kind of videos for you all. And also last one thing, guys, it's suggestion from my end. There are few days left, right? Please don't waste your time by watching multiple kind of videos. Please focus on your studies. That's it. Please focus. I'm going to share my exam date once the prelims admit card is out, and also I'm going to share my scorecards all with you once the results are out. So you are also, you should be in that position to share your score, like I have cleared. I need to see all comments in my comment section only with we have cleared prelims. That's it. So to comment that comment, so you need to do hard work. So for please do hard work and make your parents proud. That's it, guys. Okay, and thank you for watching this video. I think this video is helpful for you all. And also still, if you are having any doubts, please comment and I'll try to resolve all your doubts. Thank you, guys.